Starting web apps with pure CSS can be a huge mess. Multiple CSS files in a source code can lead to difficult UI organization, especially when you must code huge apps. There is an easy solution to that. Use Tailwind CSS. Tailwind CSS is a utility-first CSS framework designed to facilitate rapid and efficient web development. It enables developers to build modern, responsive websites and applications by providing a vast collection of utility classes that can be applied directly within HTML markup. How to start using Tailwind CSS? Firstly, install it in your project. In the created config file, add paths to all of your template files. Then add Tailwind directives for each layer to the main CSS file. You are ready to run the build process with the presented command. Now you are ready to use Tailwind in a project. If you are using a React.js project, modify config paths like the presented one and add Tailwind directives in the index.css file. After running the build process, you can use it in your JSX. What are the basics of a Tailwind? Let's see the difference in the development process. Now you can see the standard approach where you have to style everything in CSS. The current approach uses utility classes, making code much more cleaner and smaller. Moreover, in Tailwind, you are not forced to waste time on naming classes. Let's go through the details of utility classes. Tailwind's flexbox and padding utilities flex, shrink 0, and p6 to control the overall card layout. The max width and margin utilities max WSM and MX auto to constrain the card width and center it horizontally. The background color, border radius, and box shadow utilities BG white, rounded XL, and shadow LG to style the card's appearance. The width and height utilities W12 and H12 to size the logo image. The space between utilities space X4 to handle the spacing between the logo and the text. The font size, text color, and font weight. Utilities text XL, text black, and font medium to style the card text. This approach allows us to implement a completely custom component design without writing a single line of custom CSS. Tailwind utility classes are very intuitive and even supported by many plugins in your IDE. See more in official docs. If you want to become a modern developer, subscribe to the Modern Dev newsletter. Link in bio. Thank you for watching until the next time.